There's a skill you keep meaning to learn, but it feels too big, too slow, too late to start. Here's the good news. AI just cut that learning curve clean in half. Think of Claude as a personal tutor, one that meets you exactly where you are, never sighs, never rushes, and is awake at midnight when the question hits you. Step 1. Name your goal and your level. Teach me spreadsheets. I'm a total beginner. The clearer you are about where you're starting, the better the path it builds. Step 2. Ask for a simple step-by-step roadmap. Suddenly, the overwhelming mountain becomes a staircase, one small, doable step at a time. Step 3. Learn in small bites, one concept a day, 10 minutes at a time. You don't swallow the book, you take it a page at a time. Tiny and steady wins. Hit a concept that makes your eyes glaze over? Explain it like I'm 5. And if it's still fuzzy, simpler. There's no bottom to how clearly it can put things. And ask the question you're too embarrassed to ask a real person. The silly one. No one's watching, no one's judging. That freedom alone speeds everything up. Don't just read, do. Give me a small exercise to practice. Skills stick when your hands are moving, not when your eyes are just scanning. Then, lock it in. Quiz me on what we just covered. Pulling the answer out of your own head, that's what actually cements it. Rereading only feels like learning. Keep asking, but why? When you understand the reason behind a thing instead of memorizing it, you can actually use it, and you never really forget it. And when you hit a wall, paste it in. The error message, the problem, the part that makes no sense. Instead of quitting in frustration, you get instant, patient help. Made a mistake? Show it. Here's what I tried. What did I get wrong and why? You get honest feedback without the sting, and mistakes become your fastest teacher. Tie it to your real life. How would I actually use this in my car rental business? Learning sticks when it solves a real problem you have today. You set the pace. Slow down. Go deeper on that. Okay, move on. It's a class of exactly one student, you, and the whole thing bends around how you learn. Ask for an analogy from something you already know. Explain this like it's cooking or driving. New ideas click the moment they connect to something familiar. One rule, AI can be confidently wrong. Treat it as a brilliant tutor, not a flawless one, and double-check anything important against a trusted source. Learn actively, not blindly. Here's the real secret. 10 minutes a day beats a 6-hour weekend cram. Consistency compounds. Show up small, show up daily, and the skill quietly becomes yours. The payoff? The skill that used to take months now takes weeks. And the bigger win is who you become. Someone who can learn anything, on demand. That changes everything. So, 5 moves. Give your goal and your level, get a simple roadmap, learn by doing, quiz yourself, and always ask why. Tomorrow, we prep you to ace your next interview, practicing with AI until you're calm and ready. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool, I'll see you then.